Okay, today is July 18th, 2016. It's about 7 a.m. and you can see some of the handiwork being done very inconspicuously these days. But these are definitely aerosol dumps being done very lightly, but continuing the high pressure over Wrightwood in the high desert region. We've seen absolutely zero rainfall this summer. No thunderstorms. This region typically has had quite a few by now. It's been almost 5 months without a drop of rain falling in this region, and yet still our government thinks it's wise to be installing high pressure and blocking rain from entering the region. And if you look at the mountain range behind, all the trees dying, everything's dying. This used to all be green. Until this heavy chemical assault began in 2014. But as you can see, it's being done differently. The patterns are kind of spread out, a little harder to see. But pretty sure on a larger screen you'll be able to see these quite well.